Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a listing on the Depop mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Depop app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now you will see a profile with all the items you have listed for sale. Scroll through and find the listing you want to delete. Tap on that item to open the full listing. Once you are on the listing page, look for three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, a menu will pop up. Tap on delete item. Depop will ask if you are sure you want to delete the listing. Just tap yes or delete to confirm. And that's it. The item will be removed from your shop and no one will be able to see or buy it anymore. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.